The truth about asteroids. Separating fact from fiction. In recent weeks, social media platforms have been buzzing with alarming headlines. A massive asteroid, Apophis, over 1,000 feet in diameter, is hurtling towards Earth. The headlines scream catastrophe, comparing the potential impact to the devastation caused by the Hiroshima bomb, only this time, 1,000,000 times more powerful. Tsunamis hundreds of meters high could wash away entire cities, and a second asteroid could strike on July 12, 2038, with a 72% chance of collision. NASA and ISRO have reportedly issued warnings, with talks of migrating to Mars. But how much truth is there to these claims? Let's delve into the facts and clear up the confusion. Understanding asteroids and near-Earth objects, NEOs. Asteroids, also known as planetoids, are essentially massive chunks of rock and metal orbiting in space. Their sizes can range from as small as 10-20 meters to as large as 100,200 kilometers. The largest known asteroid, Ceres, has a diameter of 940 kilometers, while the smallest, a mere 2 meters wide. Most asteroids in our solar system are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, a region that houses millions of these space rocks. However, some asteroids occasionally stray from this belt and approach Earth, becoming what we call near-Earth objects, NEOs. NEOs include not just asteroids, but also comets, meteoroids, meteors, and meteorites. While all of these are essentially rocks moving through space, they are classified differently based on their composition, location, and behavior. For instance, comets, made of ice, rock, and dust, are often called dirty snowballs, and are found in the Kuiper belt, far from our Sun. When comets pass close to Earth, they can be seen with the naked eye, often accompanied by a tail of gas and dust. On the other hand, asteroids usually require telescopes to be observed and are generally less dangerous than comets, which travel at twice the speed of asteroids and give us less warning time. The asteroid Apophis. Fact versus fiction. Now, let's address the claims about the asteroid Apophis. Discovered in 2004, Apophis is indeed a real asteroid, measuring over 1,000 feet in diameter. In 2029, it will pass very close to Earth, within 30,000 kilometers, closer than some of our geostationary satellites. However, the chance of Apophis colliding with Earth is 0%. Initially, there was a 2.7% chance of collision in 2029, causing global concern and earning Apophis the nickname, City Killer. But further observations have confirmed that it poses no threat, not in 2029, nor in 2036 or 2068, as was once feared. NASA has removed Apophis from its risk list of NEOs, confidently stating that it will not collide with Earth in the next 100 years. The 2038 asteroid. A hypothetical scenario. The recent headlines about a 72% chance of an asteroid strike in 2038 are misleading. This statistic is part of a hypothetical scenario created by NASA as part of a planetary defense exercise. The exercise involved over 100 experts from organizations like NASA, the European Space Agency, and the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs. It was not a real prediction, but a mock test to assess our preparedness for such an event. The goal was to simulate a scenario where an asteroid is discovered to be on a collision course with Earth 14 years in advance. The experts discussed potential strategies to deflect or destroy the asteroid, including the use of kinetic methods, slow push and pull techniques, and nuclear options. While the exercise highlighted some gaps in our planetary defense, it also confirmed that we are well prepared to deal with such a threat. Earth's defense against asteroids. Earth's defense against NEOs is robust, thanks to several detection systems and research projects. The Lincoln Near-Earth Asteroid Research, LINEAR, the Catalina Sky Survey, CSS, Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, PAN-STARRS, and Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, are some of the key players in detecting and tracking asteroids. These systems have successfully identified thousands of asteroids and provided crucial data for predicting their paths. In 2022, NASA successfully tested its Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, a kinetic method to deflect an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. This experiment demonstrated our ability to alter the trajectory of a potentially dangerous asteroid, a significant step forward in planetary defense. While the threat of an asteroid impact is real, the chances of a catastrophic event in the near future are extremely low. Social media may amplify fears with sensational headlines, but the facts tell a different story. NASA and other space agencies are diligently monitoring news and developing strategies to protect our planet. So, rest assured, there is no need to worry about an imminent asteroid strike. For reliable news and updates, always turn to trusted sources and avoid spreading misinformation. And remember, while it's essential to stay informed, it's equally important not to succumb to fear-mongering. The next time you see a headline about a world-ending asteroid, take a moment to check the facts before panicking. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep looking up.